Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Support. From today I am going to start a series on PHP interview question. So I think this will be a very useful for interview point of view. So today we will see what is the difference between include and require in PHP. So for that what I am going to do is first let me start my XAMPP server. And move into XAMPP folder and then htdoc folder. Here I am going to make one folder that is PHP. Interview question, and inside that I am going to make one more folder that is difference between include and require. So I am writing over here is include and require. In this folder basically we want two files, that is index.php and login.php. So let me open this folder in my Sublime text. You can use any of the text editor. Here I am using Sublime text. You can use Notepad++ also. See, here I am going to make two new file, that is index.php. Save it and one more file, that is login.php. So in login.php I am going to write a simple HTML code. Let me write over here, welcome to my channel. Let's save it. And index.php, basically what I am going to do is I want to include this login.php page in my index.php page. For that what I have to do is, let me open PHP first. Close PHP, and in this I am going to include this login.php file. And then after that I am going to write simple HTML code, and here I am writing one paragraph. Please subscribe my channel. Now I am going to execute this code. See what happens. In both the cases include and require, the output will be same. Now let's see. Write local, and inside local, what is the name of my folder? PHP interview question. Okay. See what will happen. When I am executing this index.php file, then output will appear, welcome to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So what happens over here? First, whatever in login.php we have written, this code, that is included first over here, and then first this PHP code has executed, and after that this HTML code has executed. So the output printed over here is this one. First, welcome to my channel, this, and then this one, please subscribe my channel. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe my channel. In the case of include, we got output this one, but when we write require over here, let's see what will happen. Output will not change, output will remain same. Let's see. I am going to refresh this page. See, output remains same. So in the case of include and in the case of require, in both the cases, when we want to include any of the page in another page, the output remains same. See, in first case also, when we have written include over here, then also output is written over here is welcome to my channel and please subscribe my channel. And when I have used require over here, then also it has printed same output. But what is the difference between include and require? Suppose if you want to access this login.php page in index.php page, but login.php page is do not exist, means login.php page is not available. So in that cases what will happen? Let's see. From here I am going to delete this file. Then now see what will happen. The actual difference between require and include appears over here. Let me write first include over here, and then save it. See, when we try to access the page which is login.php page, which is not available, which is not exist, then in the case of include, first warning messages will be printed, and then after this warning messages, rest of the code whatever you have written that will be executed. See, let me refresh this page. See, first warning messages has printed, and after that PHP script whatever you have written in the form of HTML, that will be executed in the case of include. See, the warning messages, it has printed no such file or directory is present, and after that whatever you have written that will be executed. But in the case of require, let me write in require over here. In the case of require, what will happen? In the case of require, fatal error will be produced, and once the fatal error will be produced, the after that no other code will be executed. See what will happen. Let me refresh this. See, Once the fatal error is produced, fail to open required login.php page. First warning messages and then fatal error. So once the fatal error will produced in this PHP script, then after that no code has executed. So in first cases, when we have used include over here, then we have seen that first script has executed and produced warning messages, and after that whatever the code you have written, that is also executed. But in the case of require, in first cases PHP script, it has produced fatal error, and once it produced fatal error, then after that whatever code we have written, it will not execute, it will halt. This is the main difference between include and require. So let me explain once more. When we execute index.php page, then in both the cases, whether we write include and require, the output remains same. But the main difference between required and include is that when we try to access the file which is not exist, then in the case of require, fatal error will be produced, and once the fatal error will be produced, then no other code after that will be executed. So I hope you must have understood. Please stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.